It's a beautiful day at Tower Chrysler to introduce to you this 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT Premium Plus and an Octane Red exterior. It rides on 17-inch Yokohama Avid all-season tires. Under the hood, we have the 3.6-liter V6 Pentastar engine, giving this Grand Caravan 283 horsepower. Along the driver's side door, we have the power locks, power windows, and your power mirrors. This Grand Caravan seats up to 7 people with premium leather and suede seating. If you're on the driver's side, you get the lumbar support and power seat. On the right side of the steering wheel, you have your cruise control settings, and on the left, you have your Bluetooth, voice recognition, and in-dash menu board buttons. On the other side of the steering wheel, you have your audio controls. And as we move into the odometer reading, it reads 15,698 kilometers. This Grand Caravan comes with a Uconnect touchscreen, which you can access AM, FM, and satellite radio. When we move into reverse, you get a full rear view camera. When we go to navigation, you get a full detailed screen to guide you where you need to go. It also comes with a tri-zone climate control system, so you can independently control the driver's side, the front passenger, and the rear section of this Grand Caravan. Hopping to the second row, you have 2 captain chairs. Both can be used as Sto N Go with lots of legroom. As we head into the back, you have 3 more seats. And if we look up, way up, we have the third of our tri-zone climate control system. And pushing this button for entertainment purposes, we have a DVD entertainment system. And once you're done in the back, you have a button right here that activates the power sliding door. In the trunk area, there's plenty of cargo space with storage along the side. If you need any more space, the third row is a 60/40 split fold Sto N Go. Once you're done in the back, we have a button here that activates the power lift gate. So there you have it, the 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT Premium Plus. If you like what you see, would like to come down for a test drive, or if you have any other questions, come see us at Tower Chrysler and get that Tower Power deal, rain or shine. You can also call us at 403-278-2020. Until next time, thank you for watching.